Use the trapezium rule with 5 ordinates to find an approximate value for the integral here between 0 and 2. Show your working and give your answer correct to 4 decimal places. Okay, here's the formula booklet and here's the trapezium rule formula, which I'll copy and paste into the actual question. Here's the question then. Let's paste in the formula from the formula booklet. Here it is here for the trapezium rule then. So we've got 5 ordinates. We're starting from 0 to 2, aren't we? Here. So 5, divide this by 4, we get 0.5s, don't we? Okay, so the number of intervals is 4, which is 1 less than the ordinate. So n is 4. So I'm just going to put that in here while we're at it. So n is 4. B is 2 and A is 0. So 2 minus 0 is 2. And that gives us a half, as we said. And then we've got h over 2, so I'm going to put that in straight away. That's a quarter. So that's what we've got there then, between 0 and 2. So I'm just going to put them in here as well. And then we'll work out our ordinates. So the x values then start from 0, go up by a half. There's 5 ordinates from 0 to 4. So 0.5, 1.0, 1.5 and 2.0. The y values then, which we need. So y naught, put naught in here. Square root of 10 minus naught cubed is square root of 10. y1, 0.5, 0.5 cubed is the square root of 10 minus 0.5 cubed. Y2, 10 minus 1 cubed is 1 cubed is 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. The square root of 9 is 3. 1.5 is the square root of 10 minus 1.5 cubed. And y4 is 10 minus 2 cubed is 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. 2. So that's what we need to put in there. Square root of 2. Okay, good. So there's our y values then. We're working to 4 dp, so we could work these out to 6 dp if we wanted. I'm going to leave them as is at the moment. So I'm going to label this I and do so I equals, well, it's 1/4, and then it's the first plus the last. So it's root 10 plus root 2. Plus 2 times everything in between. So 2 of these, 2 of these, and 2 of these. So 2 times root 10 minus 0.5 cubed. Plus 3 plus 10 minus 1.5 cubed. Close that bracket for the 2 times and then close the brace at the end. I is equal to then. So let's go to our calculator. Let's move it somewhere convenient. Over here, say. Okay, so it's 1/4, so 0.25 then times bracket root 10 outside the square root plus root 2 outside the square root plus 2 times open bracket square root. Now we have to be careful here. Inside the square root we've got 10 minus 0.5 cubed. Outside the power, outside the square root. Plus 3 plus square root again. And it's 10 minus 1.5, so it's 10 minus 1.5 power 3. outside the power, outside the square root, close the bracket for the 2 times, close the bracket for the brace, equals, and we're doing it to 4dp, aren't we? So it's 5.5023, 5.5023, isn't it, to 4dp? So 5.5023, and that's to 4 decimal places.